Welcome to the Citizenship class videos. This video will show you how to use the tools in Zoom. To see the options, tap your smartphone. The options are at the bottom. For example, this option here means mute. If you click on mute, this means quiet. No one can hear you. When you are ready to speak, click unmute. Now you can talk and other people will hear you. The same is for video. If you stop the video, the teacher and the students cannot see you. If you click it again, then the teacher and the students can hear you. Another tool is how to raise your hand. This is from participants. Tap participants. And here is raise your hand. Then your hand is raised. So you can use this in class if the teacher asks a question and you want to say the answer. To go back to the Zoom screen, click close. Another important option is chat. To access chat, tap the screen and tap more. Tap chat. Maybe your teacher will ask you to chat your name to take roll. Tap and then enter your name. For example, Maria Rodriguez. And then tap send. Now your name has been sent. To return to the Zoom screen, tap close. At the end of class, when you are ready to leave, tap the phone and then tap leave. Then you will leave the class on Zoom. Okay, thank you very much.